This video explains the FaMe Reliability Maintenance Management Solution. The FaMe Reliability Management Solution uses the latest ID technology to optimize the planned maintenance management. The FaMe Reliability Maintenance Management function is part of the FaMe Planned Maintenance Solutions. The FaMe system prognosis with AI calculation the expected asset failure time and schedules automatically a maintenance ticket before the calculated failure happens. The system uses the FaMe asset data for the calculation of the maintenance execution time. The asset priority is one parameter. The last maintenance execution date is another parameter. The last repair ticket date. The actual lifetime status. The asset environment condition are only some parameters for the calculation. As an option, the FaMe system used the article group maintenance history information for the reliability calculation. Big data analyze. The FaMe article classification with the datasheet number delivers historical information sorted by the article group, or sorted by asset type, or the original manufacturer. The FaMe job calculates by interval, as an example every night, the ranking for every particular asset. The system generates a maintenance ticket for the highest rating assets. The system justifies the ranking automatically. As an example, the actual maintenance ticket execution date related to the actual date reduces the rating at the next calculation cycle and drop down the ranking value of the particular asset. The system is flexible. The supervisor has the option to mix the maintenance approach by asset classes or for a selected asset. No limits. IoT condition maintenance, classic, preventive or breakdown maintenance approach available. We display now the asset ranking for some selected assets. The user scans for an example the QR code mounted at the asset. The mobile phone shows the main parameters and the rating result. The user opens the Reliability Maintenance folder. The system displays at the end of the page the actual calculation result and the value which triggers the maintenance ticket. The FaMe Reliability Management job creates for the assets which pass the rating automatically a ticket. The ticket appears at the supervisor dashboard and at the Link Technician mobile phone app. The supervisor has the option to open the ticket and adds additional information like spare parts or safety regulations, or he changes the technician. The summary. FaMe Reliability Management optimize the planned maintenance management. FaMe Reliability Management and FaMe IoT Condition Maintenance reduces the costs and increase the asset availability. FaMe Reliability Management uses the FaMe AI and Asset Lifetime Management functions. FaMe Reliability Management works in combination with all other FaMe maintenance approaches. FaMe Reliability Management reduces the maintenance costs up to 80% compared with planned maintenance costs. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't hesitate to contact us for additional information.